So today's workout with your online trainer, Wyndham-Read, is a home workout which is all about sculpting, but it's also going to help with your health, your flexibility, your mental health. It is a really lovely routine. It works in a sequence. We've got some moves that are slightly yoga inspired as well as Pilates inspired. I'm going to show you two alternatives. If you find it hard to walk down or to come down onto the floor, I'm going to show you an alternative using a chair. So this is suitable for everyone. It's a really, really lovely routine. It ticks all the boxes. So what I would say, if you haven't done a warm-up, just march on the spot for say 20 seconds, and when you're ready, I'm ready to start training you today. So for the first move, we're going to start with doing a basic squat. We're going to do 4 repetitions of this. So we're going to just bring the arms in front. You're going to hold, then you're going to come up onto the tiptoes and hold for a second. I'm always going to be showing you an alternative move on the left. So we're just going to come up and hold, extend. So work through your fullest range of motion, holding that there, and extend. Then coming back up, lift the heels off the ground. So for the next move, this time now, we're going to aim to take your fingertips as close to the ground as you can go. Lift the leg behind, hold, and then coming up. So if you're using the chair, make sure you've got it somewhere sturdy. You're just extending that leg behind. So this one here is really great for working through the glutes, through your core, helping your balance, your flexibility, and also working on toning and sculpting. And just extend those fingertips down, and each time you'll notice you have a slightly fuller range of motion. So for the next exercise, we're going to walk the hands down and we're going to walk out onto the ground. Hands come out in front. Now you're going to drive your knee over towards your opposite elbow and then take that to the other leg. 4. So we're doing 4 of each moves, and now hold it here. Now take that foot up, push up, and now we're going to twist around with the upper body, bring it back, hands down, step the foot back and step that foot up, come round, twist that round and back. So for each move we're doing 4 repetitions, and this one here is a really challenging one, but the more you do it, the more you'll find this move becomes slightly easier, and it's great for working through the lower body, your upper body, as well as working through your core. And step that back. So now you're going to feed the leg through, open up with the arm, fingertips point towards the ceiling, take that to the opposite leg, extend that up, bring it back, and let's go again. Take that arm up, reach it up and behind, and feed that leg through. And again, this one here is amazing for upper body strength, for your legs and for your core. Now walk those hands in, so you're coming back up to your standing position. Standing nice and tall, fingertips to the side, and we're going to lift that leg. 4, let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. Now take a big deep step back for me, and you're going to lift the arms up as you lower that knee down towards the ground, and let's go for 3 more. Take it 3 and go 2, that's good, and then take it 1, and let's step that foot in, take that other leg behind, and now lift those arms up and back. So you can see I'm always showing you slightly easier alternative moves, and also they're moves where you remain standing as well in the top left hand corner. Now for this one, arms bent, and we're just going to do a rotation for 4 counts. Reach that round. So now we're just engaging through those abdominals. Well done. Just shake out those shoulders, and what we're going to do, we're going to repeat that sequence another time. So let's get ready. We go for our 4 squats, and this is round 2. So let's just extend those arms up, and now lift the heels off the ground as you come up, and take that 3 and lift. That's good. So we've got a really lovely flow of exercises here. And nice control. And let's just go. Now take those fingertips down towards the ground. So again, we're just doing 4 of this move, and then take that 3, and just feel, really connect with your body. Think how strong your body is. Appreciate how amazing your body is that it can do these sorts of moves. And let's just go 1 more. Extend that down, and then coming back up. All right, so let's get ready to walk those hands down And now we're going to drive that knee over towards the opposite elbow. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. Now step that foot to the outside of the hand, push up and give me that twist. Then come back to the center, hands down, opposite leg coming up and take it to that twist and back down. That's good. And again, just extend that up, driving that round. And let's just go one more. Coming up, lift that up body and twist, take that back down. So now feed that leg through, open up the arm, fingertips point up and behind. And now opposite leg. So this one here, you're strengthening your upper body, you're also working through your core, you're working through the legs. That's good. And then just take that one more, reach it up and open. And now let's get ready to walk those hands back in, coming up to standing. And we'll take the fingertips to the side of the head. And now let's lift that 4. Let's go 3. If you're doing the chair, just do those gentle toe taps. And well done. Now step that back. So we've got that deep lunge. Lift the arms up. And then as you lower that leg down to the ground, the arms come up. 2. Well done. And let's go one more. And step that in front. Take that opposite leg behind. Exactly the same move for 4 counts. Extend. And one more. That's good. And keeping that nice control. Step that foot in. Arms are now bent. Hips face forwards. And let's go those rotations. 3. Take it 2 and 1. All right, well done. Just roll out those shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. So we're going to go for round 3. Exactly the same. And let's get ready. Take it to that deep squat for me. Now come up onto those tiptoes. Extend the arms back. And let's go 3. And lift. And take that 2. Add that lift. Doing really well. And let's go one more. Nice control. And just hold. So now let's aim to take those fingertips down towards the ground. Lift and just feel that working through the glutes. You'll feel it also through the standing leg. 3, 2, that's good. And then let's just go last one. And now we're going to walk those hands down the front of your body. So this one is amazing for your flexibility. Plus, as you walk out now, you're really increasing your upper body strength. Drive that knee over towards the opposite elbow. You're working into your waist. Go 2 and 1. Now you're going to step that foot to the outside of the hand. Push up. Give me that twist. Come back. Hands down. Step that foot back. Other leg comes up. And add that twist. Back round. Good. One more either leg and coming up, add that twist, hands down, step it back. Really good. Keeping that going. So we've got that nice flow from one move to the other. Now feed that leg through, open up with the arms and just take that through again and just open. And let's go one more. Extend those arms up and behind and extend. All right, well done. And from there now, let's walk those hands back up and we're going to do those 4 straight leg kicks and just keep those tummy muscles pulled in. 4, let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. And now we're just going to go for doing that lunge, deep lunge, and lift those arms and go 2, that's good. And then take it 1 and let's step that foot in, take that other leg behind. And now lift those arms up and back. So you can see I'm always showing you slightly easier alternative moves. Now we're just going to go for those waist moves. So let's go for those 4 twists. Keep the hips still as you do that. And let's just step that back, roll out the arms, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and let's get ready for the final round today. All right, so you know the routine. Let's go for that same sequence. So we've got 4 of these squats. Now come up, lift those heels up and just extend that back down and lift 3 and then let's go 2 and we're just going to take it last one coming up today of these. Well done. All right, so now aim to take those fingertips down towards the ground, lifting that leg behind and then coming up And again, just lift and keep focused on what we're doing. 2, this is great to help improve your balance, flexibility and strength. Let's just go 1 more. Really squeeze that tight so you're feeling that through the glutes. All right, so from there now, we're going to get ready to walk those hands down and holding that there. Let's draw that knee over towards the opposite elbow. And 3, let's go 2 and 1. And from there, step that foot up, push up, give me that twist and bring that back, hands down. Step that foot back, opposite foot comes up, twist that round and then back. Step that back, that's good. And reach that up, twist that round, bring it back down. Last one, coming up and giving that twist, that rotation, and step that back. So now feed that leg through and open. And now let's take that opposite leg through, lift that arm up and feel that opening up through the chest and the back. So you're kind of squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then just take that to that opposite leg and extend up. All right, that's good. And let's just walk those hands in, coming back up to standing. And this time now, just take your arms actually slightly higher, so we're working the core a little bit harder. 3, let's go 2 and 1, and get ready to step that foot back for me. And now give me those 4 big sweeps. So this was a really different style workout today. I wanted to do something that was just a real nice mix and that had a lovely flow to it, because as your trainer, I want to make exercise part of your daily life. I want to keep giving you fresh new ideas. All right, that's good. And then again, let's just go 1 more. And now let's just come up to standing, arms bent, and just give me those 4 twists. And what you should feel now is you should feel energized, you should feel amazing, you should feel super proud of yourself also for doing that workout. So well done, you did it, and there is your high five. And I bet you are feeling really refreshed, really energized. And you know, this is where exercise is actually so good for our mental health, all right? So what I would say is just do a little march with me now until that timer stops, just so I can get your heart rate back down. And it's a really good idea, even though we've done lots of stretches in today's workout, still to do my cool down stretch. And I really hope you liked it. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you'd like more of these style workouts, and I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.